Welcome. Introduction: Affiliate marketing is an excellent way to generate income online, even if you're on a tight budget. In this video, we'll explore the ins and outs of affiliate marketing and share effective strategies for success without the need for a big investment. So, whether you're a beginner or just looking to save money, let's dive into affiliate marketing on a shoestring budget. Understanding affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where you promote products or services from other companies and earn a commission for every sale or action generated through your unique affiliate link. It's a win-win situation. Companies get exposure and sales, while you earn a commission for your efforts. One, choose your niche wisely. Select a niche that aligns with your interests and knowledge. This way, you can create authentic content that resonates with your audience. Two, research affiliate programs. Look for affiliate programs that offer products or services relevant to your niche. Websites like ClickBank, Amazon Associates, and Shoestring are great places to start. Three, create quality content. Content is key, whether it's a blog post, a YouTube video, or a social media post. Focus on creating high-quality, valuable content that engages your audience. Four, utilize free marketing channels. Leverage social media platforms, forums, and blogs to promote your affiliate products. These platforms are cost-effective and can drive targeted traffic to your affiliate links. Five, build an email list. Set up an email list to capture leads. Offering a freebie, like in a book or a mini course, can entice visitors to subscribe, allowing you to promote affiliate products through email marketing. Six, optimize SEO. Learn basic search engine optimization techniques to ensure your content ranks well in search engines. This can bring organic, free traffic to your affiliate offers. Seven, graphics and videos. You don't need expensive software to create eye-catching visuals. Tools like Canva offer free design templates, and smartphone cameras can suffice for creating videos. 8. Networking and collaboration. Partner with other content creators in your niche for cross-promotion. This can expand your reach without spending a dime. Nine. Monitor and adjust. Keep track of your affiliate campaign's performance. Analyze which strategies are working and adjust your approach accordingly. Ten. Patience and consistency. Affiliate marketing takes time. Be patient and consistent in your efforts, and you'll start seeing results. Conclusion: affiliate marketing doesn't require a large investment to succeed. By selecting the right niche, creating valuable content, and utilizing free marketing channels, you can build a profitable affiliate marketing business on a shoestring budget. Remember, it's all about providing value to your audience and building trust over time. So, get started, stay persistent, and watch your affiliate earnings grow. Remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more money-saving tips, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. If you have any questions or want to share your own shoestring budget affiliate marketing experiences, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.